Hello, in this video we will see about the logical operators. In the previous video we learned about the relational operators which you can use to do some conditional things like comparing two value and getting the value true and false. But if we have multiple conditional thing, here how we can merge up them. So here we will use logical operators. So let's start with logical operators. The operators are used to perform logical operations on the given expression. Those operators are called logical operators. We have three operators like AND, OR, and NOT, which are used to combine two or more conditions. If I'll talk about the AND operator, which returns true or 1 if both the conditions are true. In all other cases, it will return false, or we can say if any of the condition false, it will return false or 0. Similarly, if I talk about OR operators, which returns false only when both the conditions are false. If any of the conditions are true, it will return true or 1. If I talk about NOT operator, this operator is a unary operator which is simply converts 0 to 1 and 1 to 0, which means false to true and true to false. So let's jump to the code editor to see the practical implementation of all these three operators. So open your code editor and create a new file and save it and write basic C code. Once you do that, create a variable C to type integer. Here I take 1 as a true and 0 as a false. So I need to write first condition for AND operator, so just need to write C equal to 1 double ampersand 1. Double ampersand is the symbol of AND operators. So I'll write C equal to 1 and 1. As I said about AND operators, if both the conditions is true, then only it will return once, which means true. So let me write a print statement and print the value of variable C. Here you can see that both the conditions are true, so it will returns true, which means 1. Let's compile the code and run it. So as you can see here, it will show me 1. So let me write all the remaining 3 conditions for AND operator. Let's compile and run again. Let's interpret again to code and see what it will be written. So here we have written C equal to 1 and 0. As I said, if any of the condition is false, it will be returned false. So in here it will be print result as 0, or we can say it will be returned as false. Similarly, C equal to 0 and 1, it also returns 0 because the first condition is false. Similarly, C equal to 0 and 0, it also returns 0 because both the conditions are false. Now, if I change the operator AND to OR for the same conditions and then again compile and run the program, let me do that. So in here C equal to 1 or 1, it will return true because both the conditions are true. Similarly, C equal to 1 or 0, it will return true because the first condition is true. As I said in OR operator, if any of the conditions are true, then it will return true, which means 1. Similarly, over here C equal to 0 or 1 also return true. And the last one, c equal to 0 or 0, which returns false, means 0, because both the condition are false. Now see the example of not operator. What you have to do, simply just put not operator precede with variable c in a print statement and compile and run it. As you can see, it simply convert 1 to 0 and 0 to 1, which means true to false and false to true. So this is how you can work with the logical operators and that are and, or, and not. In the future, we will use this statement in order to pass any decision making such as if statement or any loop in order to how many times I want to execute a loop. Thank you.